Hello, everyone. My name is Melinda Moreno from the Xcellence Realty Tech Support Team. In this video, we are going to walk you through the process of filling out the seller net sheet with our new system from Xcellence Title called Title Capture. So the seller net sheet is an estimate that you can provide to the sellers on the day of your listing presentation. The estimate will break down the closing costs and provide the sellers with an estimate on the seller's net proceeds. So one of the most important questions that you will receive on the day of your listing presentation from the seller is, how much would I be receiving from the sale of my property? So you definitely don't want to be at the listing appointment, guys, without a seller net sheet that provides the sellers with the answers to their questions. So this estimate will help the sellers know how much they would net on the sale if they would sell their house in today's market. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. To be able to log into the system, just go to excellencetitle.titlecapture.com as shown here on the browser. So if you haven't signed up yet, just click right here to sign up for free and type in your information on this page and click sign in. And once you've logged in, all right, please make sure to go to your profile. Just click on the top right corner and click profile right here and add all of your information and click update information at the bottom and also add your photo. All right, click choose file and update photo so that when you download the PDF, all of your information is going to come out on the estimate. All right. So let's get started with the seller net sheet. So in the property location field, enter the information and the system will auto-complete the property address for you. So for this example, we are going to say that the location or the address is this one right here. And then just type in the sales price, which is 300,000, and enter the closing date. So for the closing date, the recommended is 45 days. So please remember that, guys. So who pays for title insurance? Is it going to be the buyer or the seller, or is the cost going to be split between the two parties? So remember that title insurance is negotiable between the parties. And for this example, we're going to select seller. Endorsements, you don't have to worry about that. So let's proceed to mortgage payoffs. So does the seller have a mortgage that needs to be paid off? How much does the owner owe? So for this example, we're going to type in 200,000. And is there a second loan? Just type it in here. 5,000, for example. Real estate broker commissions. For the transaction fee, Xcellence Realty charges a transaction fee to the buyer or seller that you are representing, and that can be collected on the day of closing. If you charge the amount to your client, just go ahead and add the amount here. Homeowners Association. So if the property has an association, add the monthly payment here so it can get transferred to the estimate. So let's say $100. Did seller pay the current month's dues? We're going to say no for this example. Resale certificate and transfer fees are fees that some associations charge, but if there's none, just leave it blank. Property tax proration, just enter the annual property tax amount here. And for this example, we're going to say that it's $4,000. And then other seller expenses and credits, just type here any additional items that are either charged to the seller or credited to the seller. And we're going to hit calculate so that the system can calculate how much the owner is going to get on the day of closing. All right, so now you have the estimate here for this sales price, you can click here to show more for a summary. So you have the settlement fee right here. All right. So that will depend, or that is based on the location of the property. You have your recording and transfer fee here and all of the other information here. All right, guys, so that's how easy it is to create a seller net sheet. I just want to mention some of the options at the top. So you're able to edit the estimate, email it to the seller, save the estimate, print PDF, or make a flyer out of the estimate. So let me go ahead and show you how it'll look like if you click on print PDF. So it's going to download it to your computer. All right, and let's go ahead and open up the file. And this is how it's going to look like. And of course, your information is going to be right here. All right, so if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to reach out to us. You'll find our contact information on the contact page of Xcellence Realty. Scroll down to agent support contact information. You can dial this helpline number. Press 1 for broker support, press 2 for tech support, press 3 for agent support, and press 4 for the accounting department. Our email addresses are right here. For any questions about the tools that we provide to you, reach out to tech support. Any contract related questions, reach out to broker support. For any questions for the agent support department, you can email them here. Any questions about any accounting related questions, feel free to email the accounting department. You can also click here to book an appointment, and it's going to be via Zoom. Just choose the appointment type on this page. And of course, you can always chat with us. Just click right there, put in your information, and choose the department that you would like to reach. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me in this session. I hope you all have a wonderful day.